Welcome back! Today's video has 8 mind-bending puzzles. Let's see how many you can solve. Timer starts now. One of these 3 women is this baby's mother. You have 6 seconds. Who is it? Think carefully. It's number 3. She's the only one carrying a baby bottle and a diaper bag. A real mom always comes prepared. 2 women. One is married. Look carefully. You have 6 seconds. The woman on the right. See the wedding ring on her finger? That's all you needed to spot. A man was murdered. 3 suspects are standing right there. Who did it? 6 seconds. Go! It's Belly. The victim wrote the letter B in blood. B for belly. Never miss the last clue. The safe is empty. 4 suspects, 1 thief. Find them in 6 seconds. The farmer! Those muddy footprints on the floor lead straight to him. Always check the ground. These 2 rooms look the same, but 3 things are different. Find them in 6 seconds. Go! The wall painting, the pillow on the sofa, and the color of the mug. How many did you catch? One moon is different from all the others. Can you find it in 6 seconds? It's near the center bottom. That one has open eyes while every other moon is sleeping. Great eyes if you got it. This couple looks happy, but one of them is hiding a big secret. What is it? 6 seconds. The man is holding Ferrari keys behind his back. Dressed casual, but secretly filthy rich. Always check the hands. Last puzzle, and this one's for the real geniuses. 2 suspects, 1 criminal. Who did it and why? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I am reading every single one. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next challenge. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. 8 out of 8 means you are a certified genius. See you in the next one.